Hello and welcome to Chris's Adventures in Lockpicking. I'll do a quick review here of the Sparrows Night Crawler. About €29 from UK Bump Keys. It is tiny. It's about half, well, about 2/3 the size of a normal case. Try not to cut my fingers. Comes with the usual Sparrows sticker. The flat 5 knurled pack, and the case itself. Ooh, that's stiff. Case actually feels quite rigid. It's quite good considering it's down as an EDC. We'll just have a quick look at these first before we go near the tensioners. You can see very short. These are about half the size of a normal pick from Sparrows, but are still, as far as I remember, 25 thousandths. They come with a spine, which I thought would be really uncomfortable actually. Probably, yeah, you wouldn't be picking for a long time with them, but this is the worm. Let's see if we got a focus. Yeah, they've been tumbled. Not a huge amount of tumbling. Well, no, they're better than a lot of ones. Could probably do a wee bit of polishing. There's a hook. I got these for a little EDC project I'm putting together. There's a Bogota. There is the offset diamond and the city rake. I don't know how comes with that be doing the whole rocking motion that goes to city rake, but I say they do feel very solid in the hand. Yeah, so that's your picks. What else comes with it is our flat 5. Sorry, I'm after cutting my nails. Just give me a second. Bomb. Right, so 5 from the top are tensioners. We've top to keyway and bottom to keyway options. You still have plenty of room for some wiper blade inserts. If you notice, give or take about the same size. The picking tips in these are exactly the same size as their regular picking tips. It is literally just the handle that is about half the size. It's in the palm of your hand, and the idea is it's very easy to slip in your pocket. I have heard, I think it was Locknew say that this would actually fit in the little pocket on his jeans. So retails for about €29 or 23 sterling, I think, from UK Bump Keys, which is where I ordered this from. Should slot in. Yeah, no problem, get those in. Plenty of feedback. Obviously not as good as a normal pick, but let me see. Use one of these flat bars. So it's a bit hard to do this through a camera. No, that's not going to go. I'm going to use a wiper blade insert for this because I really just want to feel what the pick's like and the feedback from the pick. I'd almost definitely stick a couple of wiper blade inserts. It's not the hardest locks to pick, but I picked that about as quick as I would with any other picks. I say I didn't notice a lot of difference with the short handle because I was holding it a bit like this, but you're not going to be picking with these for a long time, so it shouldn't really matter. Right, so that's your half diamond. Worm, which is nice to see included in the set. Bogota. Hook and offset diamond. It would be nice to get another hook, but for the money you can't really complain. Obviously this doesn't come with it, that's part of a Southward kit. This is Sparrow standard flat 5. One of the big things I like about this is the knurling on them. You have a few different options, but I'd still be adding the wiper blade inserts. And yeah, the case, it's firm, but it's still flexible. So anyway, that is the Night Crawler by Sparrows. I definitely give that a thumbs up. If you want to see more reviews, click like and subscribe.